Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and activating my Apple credit card. I've been wanting this Apple card badly and I finally got it yet today in the mail, so let's go ahead and open it together. This has not been opened or activated at all. I'm going to be doing the activation and unboxing with you guys. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos and tech related videos, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get into the unboxing and activation. So here we are at the unboxing table. So here is the box it came with. It even comes with a pull tab as if it was a MacBook, an iPad, or an iPhone. I'm not going to show the other side because it has my shipping information and address and that. So let's go ahead and open this. This has not been opened. Let's go ahead and open this by pulling on the pull tab. Oh, I've been wanting to do that in a while. Right here is the Apple card. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Apple. So here is the Apple card set, and there's nothing else in the box, so this can be set aside. And here is the Apple card. I've actually been wanting this for a while, so I'm so happy to unbox it here with you guys. Here is around the packaging, nothing, just Apple, letting you know it's Apple, the Apple logo. And this right here is the Apple card with my name on it. So yes, Alex Torres, like I said in the beginning of this video. So I've actually been wanting this. So this is a credit card from Apple, which is a MasterCard, not a Visa or all that stuff. It's a MasterCard. And technically you don't have to order the actual physical card if you don't want it. So as you can see, you don't have to have the actual physical card. Here it is in Apple Pay already. Once you first apply and you get it approved for your card, it will automatically allow you to use Apple Pay. So you do not need to use or get the physical card if you don't want to. On the app, it's actually, or on Apple Pay on your iPhone, it's actually 3% cash back. And if you use the physical on, of course, qualifying purchases. And if you use this on the actual card, let's say you bought something at the grocery store, it'll only be 1% cash back. So of course, still on the iPhone, it still gives you more cash back with Apple Pay than using the physical card. So this is what you need to do to activate your card. So we're going to go ahead and do this together. If there any private information or of course the card number and all that stuff show up, I'm not going to be making that public. I'll cut the video off. And I'm also going to do a screen recording so we can do this right here together. So as you can see, it says, hold your iPhone here. In the email I got letting me know that my card was coming, it did say you need an iPhone XS Max or later. So if you don't have that, they might have an issue activating your card. So all you do is put it right here. Let's go ahead and do this together. And just like that. And my name's on there too, as you can see in the screen recording and right here, it even shows right there. And all you do is press on activate. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on, oh, you guys can't see this, sorry about that. All you do, it doesn't look that clear on the camera, but good thing you use the screen recording. All you do is activate. As you can see, your card is ready. Use your card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you can see every transaction you do. So of course, if I was to go to Target, you would see this on the Apple Wallet app as well. So you can see it is ready. On continue, it's already telling you your Apple card is ready to use, meaning I can start using doing payments or buying stuff with this physical card if I wanted to. And just like that, the Apple card is activated. From here, you can just pull it out of its little container. I don't even want to pull it out from here. It looks really cool. But from here, you can go ahead and take it out like so. I don't want to damage it. And there we go. The card is now out. And something to notice is that in the back, there is no card number. Of course, usually in normal cards, from here, you turn it back. Even people don't turn it around because it has your card number and stuff like that. But there is nothing here. Everything here is in the wallet. All you do to view the card number, I'm not going to show that, of course, because of course, if you were to do online purchases, like let's say online stores and stuff, it is going to ask you for your card number. So all you do to find the card number, all you do is when you're on here on the wallet app, of course, select the Apple card, and you're going to click on the 1, 2, 3 button right there. And then right there, it will give you the card number, expiration, and the security code, everything you need to make purchases online. And then just like that, the Apple card is ready to use. As you can see, here is the Apple card. It is made out of titanium, so it does have a bit of weight to it. But of course, it might lead to some scratches if you have other cards in your wallet and stuff like that. But I'm really happy with this. I really wanted this Apple card, and I'm super happy that I got it. So that's pretty much it. That was the unboxing and activation of my Apple card. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. And make sure to follow me on social media. All my links are down in the description. Bye.